fixed length, you could choose your word, you could choose any other words to qualify that. So the fixed length in the soil is 3/4 meter. And don't forget, it said of, that is 3/4 meter of this is fixed in the soil. So this is just an interpretation to make the work easy. So and then the main question then says, what part of it is above? That means if this part of this pole is fixed in the soil, then what part is above? That definitely they're asking us to find the remaining part that is above the soil. So we say part above, or length above. I prefer that. Length above. So to calculate length above, which is the length remaining after this part has been fixed in the soil, we just simply say 12 whole number 2/5 minus 3/4. Now, without any further ado, without wasting any time, now you could see that this fraction, this second part of the fraction problem, has no whole number, which is quite different from the earlier ones we saw. So what do? We just simply neglect this whole number, or we don't totally neglect, we just assume it's not there for now. So we move on with this fractional part, which is 2/5 minus 3/4. So I'm going to draw a line like I've been doing. The line is for common denominator. So the common denominator of 5 and 4, that is the LCM of 5 and 4, is 20. Now, like I have been doing, I'm going to use each denominator to divide this common denominator. So 5 in 20, that gives me 4. And then my result, I will use it to multiply the numerator. So 4 times 2, that gives me what? 8. Then the relationship is minus. Then I'm going to use the second denominator, which is 4. 4 in 20, that is 5. So I'm going to use my results to multiply the numerator. 5 times 3, and that gives me what? 15. Now you will see that 8 cannot take away 15, and that is where I'm going to bring back this 12. So I'm going to rewrite the equation to be 12 whole number 8 minus 15/20. I'm going to borrow from this 12 so that I will have a new whole number, which is 11. Then don't forget, I said when you borrow one from an whole number, then one will be quantified or will be made an equivalent of the denominator. So I'm going to say the 1 has become what? 20, and then the 20 will be added to this 8 to give 8/half. So 20 plus 8 minus 15 all over 20. So I'm going to just round off the answer straight away. So 20 plus 8, that will give us what? 28. So 28 take away 15, that will give us what? 13/20. So this is our final answer.